Hey guys, it is your girl Kim here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. It was actually inspired by the t-shirt I had wrapped on my head. It was actually inspired by the t-shirt I had wrapped on my head. It was supposed to be a bit lighter, but I still mess with it. It's still cute, whatever. I did apply my lashes off camera. All the products I use will be listed in the description box below. And before we continue right into this video, I'm going to need you guys to like this video if you haven't already. Comment down below what else you would like to see from me. And subscribe, baby, subscribe. Now, without further ado, let's just get right into it.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am the ghostess with the most. Any other ankles? Just asking. Gee, no, they're good. They're fine. Ooh, so are the counter to put the grapes in the box. You were supposed to get the grapes. I could buy intestines. Come on, Angel. Ready for the next part of our haunted tour. I smell a costume change. Little? Real? Maybe not. I was either scared or chilly. I was confused. And then back into parents in time for bath and bed. It sounded like they were right here. Kids? Jade? See this glass is in a pile of leaves. And that's how you scare somebody. Oh my god. Oh my god. They got us. Jade, why are you in your underpants? Don't change the subject, father. We just scared your pants off, not mine. Also, I was warm. Yeah, you tricks just... Oh, we watch TV. Alright, fine, you sour candy. It'll last longer. Wait, don't take it yet. Catch me just as I'm looking over my shoulder. Now. I need a tow truck. I have a flat tire. Or I'll need a tie. Oh, shoot. I don't know the address. Hold on. Lynn, go outside and look at the house number. No! Oldie Scissorhands is out there. Oh, wait. I wrote it down. And it's dark. It's literally a triple threat. What could possibly make a sound like that? It's probably just a raccoon. Look, why don't I just go downstairs and see what's making the noise? I'm sure there is nothing to be afraid of. Then we can... The butt. I'm already holding it. Just because I don't want to fall down the stairs. Dad's butt is very sturdy. Thank you, Louise, it is. Oh, look. They have a puddle in their basement, too. It's ghost pee. Gene, it's not ghost pee. Look, see? Everything seems fine. Nothing weird. There's a washing machine, furnace, some old boxes of junk, and a ghost. What is that? Okay, so... Did not care for it. That doll makes me miss the cloak in the basement. Louise, I wish I was unscarable like you. Yeah, it's just dumb cult stuff. Nothing to be scared of. I mean, who is it with the sticks these days, right? What if it's the ghost of the person? Fine then, Bob. What do you think it is? It's probably just a murderer. What? No, it's not a murderer, Gina. It's probably just the wind. Inside wind. It happens a lot in these old houses. I know about inside wind. I know about it, right? I feel like you're doing a really good... Oh my god! We're surrounded by something creepy chasing us in there! And I'm scared of heights and cloaked people and being killed! Well, I think we scared you. What? What? We planned the whole thing? What? Aw, you should see the look on your face. You see? It's you. Hey, easy. That's my mother. Say hi, Mom. Well, Mom, we're done. It's over. We did it. And this nice man with the hedge clippers is Mort's mom's did last night. Like this. I wanted to do the whole thing with a Cockney accent, but Mom nixed it. I don't understand. How did you do all this? How did I fall for it? It was a lot of work. So many emails. This is Mort's mom's house. And it's perfect because it's old and creepy. And nicely decorated. Very homey. First we had to do the decoy haunted house. Yeah, why did you do a decoy haunted house? That was Tina's. Still shaking! Look at this! Buddy, bring it in! Why, Mom? Why? Family! Storm moving in, everyone! Stop it, Mort! I startle easily! Mark, you little... Halloween has gotten so commercialized. So many commercials. Let's try... Like a zombie, I got to never to ask you out. To the wrong beat, I wish I could make you mine. When I open my mouth, I sound like Frankenstein. Girl, it's freaky. My heart is weak. My body's extra hairy. I'm running in the dark. I love you so much. It's scary. Ooh, yeah, scary.
I close my eyes and you're still there. You're the girl of my dreams, no my nightmares. I wanna go steady. Start some shh, then hang up. Or should I be late? Oh, maybe 'cause I wanna have this baby